So when it comes to foundation repair itself, there's not usually soil left over on the property. There's usually, we fill all the holes back in and whatever's left, we spread around the foundation. But when we have a house that we do the foundation and then we have to do plumbing, that changes everything, because when you tunnel under a home, you will never get all the dirt back in there. It's fine, it happens. There's just no way you can pack it the way Mother Nature packed it. So we always have dirt left over. We always have dirt to haul off. So what we typically do is we pile it, like we have it all piled in the front yard on tarps, and then when we're done, we load it in bins. And basically we'll just come and pick this up and haul the dirt away and just give it away or put it somewhere. This is normal. A lot of people will say, well, they didn't put all the dirt back under my home. Well, you're not gonna put all the dirt back under your home. And there's no big deal. Your house is no longer resting on the soil under there. Once you lift your home, there's a void completely. Your house is now resting on piers. There's no soil helping your house be stabilized. So putting a soil in there it's important, right? But it's not so important. It's not there to stabilize your foundation at that point.